Welcome back. In the last video, we covered the 4 layers of AI LLM applications: data, compute, modeling, and application layers. Now we're diving deep into the first layer, the data layer. If you're building an AI application, you need data. Data ingestion is the first component of the data layer. It's how data enters your AI system from various sources. Get this wrong and nothing else works. As we covered in the architecture overview, the data layer is the foundation of every AI application. It has 7 core components, and we're starting with the first one, data ingestion. Data ingestion is the process of collecting and importing data from various sources into your system. Think of it as the entry point. Data comes from APIs, databases, files, web scraping, user uploads, or streaming sources, and ingestion brings it all into your AI pipeline. There are 2 main types of ingestion, batch and streaming, and the choice between them depends on your use case. First, batch ingestion. This is when you pull data in scheduled chunks. Think of it like this. Every night at 2 a.m., your system syncs a database. Batch ingestion is perfect when you have large volumes of data. You don't need real-time processing, and data arrives in predictable patterns. The job runs, pulls data from sources, validates it, and stores it. Then it's done until the next run. Apache Airflow is the most popular. You define workflows as DAGs, directed acyclic graphs. It's powerful, but can be complex. Prefect is a modern alternative, Python native, easier to use, or use managed services like AWS Batch or Google Cloud Composer. A real-world example, a RAG application that ingests documents. An Airflow DAG runs daily, checks S3, extracts text, and stores it. Now, streaming ingestion. This is for real-time data that flows continuously. Think user events, live logs, or IoT sensors. Streaming is perfect when real-time matters, data flows continuously, and low latency is critical for high-velocity data. Data flows through a message queue. Consumers process it in real time, often in parallel. It's like a conveyor belt. Apache Kafka is the industry standard, distributed, highly scalable, and used by companies like LinkedIn and Netflix. There's also AWS Kinesis for managed streaming on AWS, or Google Pub Sub, which is serverless and scales automatically. Example, a real-time recommendation system. User events stream through Kafka, get processed immediately, and update results instantly. Many applications use both, called a hybrid approach. Choose batch for large chunks, streaming for low latency, or hybrid for both. The key is matching the pattern to your use case. Don't over-engineer. Start simple and scale as you need. Next video, we're covering data storage, where your data actually lives. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. If this helped, hit that like button and drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.